Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to close a Capital One account online and what to expect during the process. Capital One allows you to close your account through their website, but not directly inside the mobile app. If you try using the app, it will usually redirect you to a web browser instead. To get started, open a web browser on your computer or phone and log into your Capital One account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with all of your accounts listed. Find the credit card you want to close. If you have multiple Capital One accounts, you may need to scroll until you see the correct card. Click on that account to open its details. Next, look for a small gear icon or a link that says "I want to" near your account information. Click on it to open the Account Services menu. From the list of options, select Close Account. This option is usually located under a section called Control Your Card. After selecting Close Account, follow the on-screen prompts. Capital One may ask you to complete a short survey about why you're closing the card, and they may also show information explaining how closing the card could affect your credit score. Once you confirm and complete the steps, your account will be closed. It's a good idea to save or screenshot the confirmation and double-check later that the account shows as closed with a zero balance. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you close a Capital One account online, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.